installation of a closed-circuit television system can be highly effective in helping to prevent and eliminate a number of property loss and security issues. Monitoring one or more locations of your business or residence will add an additional element of safety in front entry and secluded areas of your property, as well as guard against dishonest employees, shoplifting, and burglaries. Secure Technology has the skill and specialized knowledge necessary to design and install an effective and affordable video monitoring system.